Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your real name on your profile on your Xbox Series X. So under profile and system, you can see my real name is Timbo Slice on my account. Now it's very easy to go ahead and change this. Now what you want to do is go back to the home screen, then go up to settings, select this, then go to general, go to the right and go to online safety and family, then go to privacy and online safety. Then go to Xbox privacy. Then scroll on down to custom, select that, and go to view details and customize. Then go to where it says profile. Then you can scroll on over to how you look. Your name is from your Microsoft account and is used to identify you across a broad range of Microsoft products and services. So we can choose edit real name, and then you can change the first name. Mine is Timbo, and the last name is Slice. And then this is going to be reflected on your Xbox profile. Now you can also go over to real name, decide who can see your real name, and you can choose your friends. So you can go to everybody, friends, friends I choose, or block. So go to this section and you should be good to go. And then here's one more. You can share your real name with friends of friends. So I have allow on. So only my friends and friends of friends can see it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.